Here we go. I mean, we're going soon. We will be going at some point. This is a long time, and I think we're finally going. All right, guys. Hang on to your phone. Here we go. This ride makes some funky noises. It's rampy. Here we go. Whee! Oh, log flume. We're not on a log flume. Done. Honestly, that ride kind of kicks ass. For being like super old, like in the 1960s or 70s, that was pretty awesome. All right, guys, here we go. Let's hope this arrow corkscrew doesn't kill us too much. Oh God, here we go. No! Whee! And corkscrewing in Japan. That one was actually pretty good. I can handle that. And I'm probably going to do it again as well. All right, guys, we are bringing you high quality 4K 60 frame footage of the most intense kiddie coaster here at Toshimaen in Japan, Mini Cyclone. Get ready for it. You're going to lose your virginity all over again after watching this video. Oh man, here we go. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, that was an exciting hill. That was awesome. Oh, here comes this turn. Oh, lateral G's. Gotta watch out for those train cars below us. Oh, here we go. Oh, this big sweeping turn. Oh, yes, that was awesome. Blauer Enzian. Oh boy, it's going fast now. Oh God.